ってのはマジない Listen 鏡を答えちゃってプロです I'm the best of it 生身のままいけるとこまでプロネクスプロ一番上 Nothing can brim bam bam brim bam bam brim bam bam boom Brim bam bam brim bam bam brim bam bam boom Brim bam bam brim bam bam brim bam bam boom プロネクスプロ一番上 Hey hey 俺のままでいるだけで超フレックス Hey hey 誰も口を挟めない Hey hey 俺のままでいるだけで超フレックス Hey hey 誰も口を挟ませないいやいやいや学歴もない前科もない余裕でこの存在自体が文化財なのびそ高級車は買える免許はない愛車全国各地揺らす一品このベロがブリンブリンバレットならまた関西なまり生身のことだま音楽幸運処理の女神こういうもさまだ
Hey guys, what's up? So today we're literally just sitting here listening to music and solving Hackerrank. Quite literally, I know, right? If you don't know, I'm an engineering student and I'm doing computer science and engineering with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. And coding, right? I need to know coding, and it's been quite a while before, like, since I've done actual coding, because for like the whole last semester, hmm, my laptop was like gone, broken, unusable. So I had to work on nothing. I didn't have anything to work with. So like presentations, everything like necessity related, class related was done on my friend's laptop. So uh, I just lived on reels, doom scrolling pretty much. Okay. So I ended up not doing anything, and now I feel pretty dead in coding. This here Python was a silver 4 star like last week when I got a sudden motivation, sudden urge to actually do Hackerrank. Because like I like it when all the test cases suddenly get solved. So I got it to gold. I got problem solving to my 2nd star. Funny story was that the problem solving thing was on 1 star when I started. Like the last time I left, like maybe a year ago, was on still on 1 star. I was like, next star is equal to silver, right? Let's go, let's do this, let's get that silver grind. So I solved like 15 problems in one sitting, and okay, maybe that's an exaggeration. Maybe not 15, maybe like 5. I know, big difference, but hey, we're engineers. So um 5 problems in one sitting. I actually got it to like second, and this was like when my friends were calling me and like spamming my like DMs, like, oh, come online, Valorant time, Valorant time. But I'm like, nah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. So I did it, and surprise, surprise, 2nd star does not equal silver. It equals bronze too. And yeah, I forgot that. That's the thing. So yeah, we're on this, and then I saw the artificial intelligence tablet, and I'm like, okay, I'm into machine learning. Let's get done with some what are those things called? I don't know what are those. What are these? Like TensorFlow and stuff, like building neural networks and all that stuff. I know the basics. I don't know the top of my head. I need to work that out. I will, trust me. So I didn't do that. So I'm like, okay, fine. This is going to be good learning opportunity. Turns out this artificial intelligence isn't machine learning at all. When you talk about artificial intelligence being a superset of machine learning, this literally is a superset of machine learning. It is like using if-else statements and while loops to like do tasks. That is what AI is, right? Just at the core of it, that's what AI is. So, yes, I did that. One problem actually is solved, but I was like, confused without like using TensorFlow model, because that's like the only AI I know. That's the only ML I've ever done. Just TensorFlow. You create neurons, connect them, weights, biases, slopes, gradient, descent, everything. It's the only ever AI I knew. But this is going to be pretty useful. I think Hopefully it goes well because it's like tricky-ish. Never, it's not like Python problem solving like a direct thing. There are many ways to do it. As I said, if else while have a lot of combinations. When you have stacked like 15 of them together. This segment is not supposed to be a teaching segment, but if you actually do end up learning something, I will be very glad and happy because my end eventual profession I want to be is someone with a PhD doing research. But apparently, I found out those guys also need to teach. So, I mean, that works. I don't want to teach anyone. See, I have no qualifications to teach. I'm doing this on my own thing. If you manage to learn, that would be fantastic. Just drop a chat saying that, drop a comment if you're seeing this later on. That damn nice. I learned something. Thumbs up, bread. And yes, I would be very happy to know that. So also like, subscribe, share the usual. You can see it's right here at the bottom of the screen. That one, that thing right there. So just do it. I mean, helps me, helps the channel grow and reach more audience. So if you like this content and you would want this to reach to other people, do it. If you don't want to reach other people, too bad. You're a bad member of society. I guess. I don't know. So let's get to it. If you have music requests, suggestions, or anything, drop them in the chat. I think it's somewhere either there or there. I'm new to streaming. I don't know how this pointing business works. So, Hackerrank. Actually, should I share that? And if people are like, oh, Snippy, you have 0 views, why are you talking to yourself? I also want to do this to improve my public speaking. Even though there's no public that I'm speaking to, I'm only speaking to myself, which I do in general. But that's like more of a skip words in the middle because I know what I'm going to say. So why do I say it anyways? So this is something that might improve my public speaking skills. Eventually, if I get even like 5, 10 people, it helps. So I will definitely try to work on my speaking to the public skills. And I just realized, oh, freak. There we go. Jaga, jaga. Sorry, that was cringe. Right. So let's get to it. Hack rank. But before that, before any time I do hack rank, I want to work on my speed typing. So I'm actually gonna go to speed type test. I currently type like this. 2 fingers, 3 fingers. Oh, I keep forgetting the camera is here. 2 fingers, 3 fingers. That's how I type. I want to use these as well. So I'm gonna do that. Ah, right, too bright. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna type very like. Okay, I want to show you how just how fast I type. Sun, black, dark, good, open, where your correct self war develop. Problem with this website is such random words. I mean, they make no sense, which is takes a second to comprehend. Like if I say my name, I know the next word is going to be is, but this is just like I have no idea what the next word is, so I need time to like process what the next word. So it's like really good for practice, very bad for see. Oh my god, I'm so bad. For no tell grade began their door rain teach power you love stand our idea whole ran every cold force be bed also get home tail have usual see I'm an octopus yay. So my highest ever typing speed was 100 either 18 or 104. I know again big difference, but I don't know freaking engineering, right? So but my average is around 90 if I know what I'm typing, but if I don't know what I'm typing it goes around 60 to 70. So now I actually use all four fingers. I should do that actually. Typing speed practice. The one that actually shows you guide to type faster, and it tells you to practice certain habits, because the pinky fingers, the muscles here are actually very small and weak because we don't use this much. Okay, this isn't used much, these muscles here, so they're primarily weak, and they require extra conscious thought to actually that's the reason. And they're also linked here on the back. These ligaments are linked to this one over here. That's why it's very difficult to move just this finger without affecting others. As you can see, as I can move this, I can move this, but this pinches these two together. This is what I need to train if I want to type faster. And I just typing this, for some reason I got a cramp on this ligament. It hurts now. I don't know why. Ah, I'm getting arthritis, crippling arthritis. Who knows? Okay, right. Retreat. Space. Entire space. 8 space. R space. Near space. Entertain. Space. 10 space. Tree space. Nearer space. Retreat. Those pinky clicks, it's impossible to get for me. Enter, intent, rear, entire, ear, are nearer, rare, entertain, nearer, lane. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay. Lie, all, late, relate, late, Raiden Shogun. For those of you who don't know, God of Eternity. Line, relate. Hi, buddy. What's up? क्या हाल चाल? Lie, later, all, real, lane, learn, eternal, later, all, lane. Yay! This is giving me stress. This is giving me next level stress for some reason. My hand hurts, and this is very stressful. It's like pressing the wrong button will get me killed or something. Ease, silent. Yeah, buddy, I'm all good. What about you? How have you been? Riz, lies, seen, still, earnest, trees, ears, ease, feet, stir, resist, sense, listen, sail, sense, ease, trees. Yay! Let's go. I'm not even reading like the guides. I think I'm supposed to know what these mean and like how I'm supposed to like match the fingers with these. I don't feel like I'm doing that. I feel like I'm just clicking it for no bloody reason. But hey, I think it might help. What the hell is this? Yo, I can make the keyboard bigger. As if this is not big enough, you can bigger it. See it better. And why would anyone want to put it at this? I'm colorblind. I can't even see the bloody colors. So why would anyone want to? What is this bullshit? But hey, it's really nice. Terrors, nose, relation, rose, sort, tone, reason, tools, nose, sensation. Oh my god, stressful. Relation, tone, also, stone, notions, lesson, iron, sort, into, nature, issue, until, sure, unnatural, use, rule. Yo, I'm getting faster. I remember the quote of that one horrible violinist. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there's this one guy that is just like what he did was he tried to take a piece, a very classical, very nice piece, and just went through. And it made no sense because he just played absolute random notes. But it was broken down by two set violin. But one of his quotes was that start slow, and if you can do it slow, you can do it fast. Big brain, big brain shit. So I'm trying to. I mean, yes, very bad quote, but kinda true because I mean that's how it works, right? You start slow, and once you get good at slow, you get slightly faster, and I'm not getting faster. Ruin. Okay, insult, outer, unnatural, usual, until, utter. Let's go. Elder, desire, higher, additional, around. Dead, like my fingers are. Loud. Yes, thanks for the motivation. I intend to do that. Type till I get good. Ends. Sometimes I forget freaking where S is. I'm spamming the wrong keys, and it's like, no, it's not the right key. Correct the right key. Dress. Surrounded. Hey, I'm supposed to read these tutorials because I think they mean something. Like the keys, the color of the keys and the color of your fingers should match. I don't think I'm doing that. I think I'm like making it worse. But hey, whatever suits the fancy of this website. Road. Distressed. Idea. Ride. Desired. Started. Dead. Hard ends. Stands. Mission. Intend. Hard ideas. Should allowed outside die and land. A dead distress tasted idea altered dust wow interested and done but no this stressed had sounded tender side ride raised step. I think it's using like the left hand way more than it is my right hand. I can like feel my right hand just sitting there just going fuck 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 fuck. Entertained, desired, died, tried, settled, assisted, entertained, stands on address and using undead needs added orders. Why? Why not calibrated? Need more samples? Money? Ready yesterday yet utterly totally nay yielded day surely daily days yard easily reality ah ah only easy. Oh my god, this is exhausting. This is freaking exhausting, bud. Okay, enough of this. Screw this. Let's go to the main event of the night. Hackerrank. It's not the main event actually. It's Valor later, but to make me feel like I am actually, doing something productive in life. By doing something unproductive is to do something productive before and then productive after. Wait, never mind. You get the point. Like do something less okay, whatever. Wait, no. Do something slightly productive, then do something unproductive. It just balances out. Equal. Even though it's not. Okay, problem solved. Let's do this. Let's get this guy to a nice shiny silver. I don't like this problem. How do I get rid of it without solving it? I don't want to get free points by just, checking the answer, but I don't like time conversions. I don't like time conversions in real life when like flight when the flight times are mentioned in 24-hour clock and I am used to a 12-hour clock because Indian. I don't say 2400 hours, I say 12 a.m. A.m. Yes. I don't say 16:35, I say 4:35. So, yes. So, okay, problem time. Yes, this was the problem I read last time, but I can solve because brain not braining. But today, I'm gonna get this. It's actually a pretty easy problem. Yeah. There'll be two arrays of integers. Determine all integers that satisfy the following two conditions. The elements of the first array are all factors of the integers being considered. The integer being considered is a factor of all elements of the second array. So the problem that it's stating is that there's two integers, and there's a number in between these integers such that the all the elements in the first array are factors of that number, and that number is the factor of every number in the second array. And that number is called being in between two arrays, apparently. So, like that's given the explanation here. We have input line of command, all that is fine. So, first line consists of the number of elements in each array. The second array consists of 2 and 4. The next is 16, 32, 96. So, I need to take x, find x, such that x percentage 2 is equal to 0, x percentage 4 is equal to 0, 16 percentage x, 32 percentage x, 96 percentage x is equal to 0. I have no idea how to do that. How to find the number in between arrays. Now, I'm not checking this to get the answer. I'm checking to find like the method how to do this. Mathematically speaking, how does this work? LCM, something LCM HCL based. I know that for sure. Highest common factor and HCF and LCM based. Least common integer. Mm. Ah, huh. Right. Use MP. We have MP. I don't want to use NumPy. This function returns a solid unique array of common elements. Convert the result in NumPy to Python. No, not all common elements. That's not what I wanted to do. Hmm. 2 and 4 divide evenly into. Okay, so the answer is 4, 8, and 16. function. If need help here, what? Should I see that? Need help here. Oh, oh, he needs a condition. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's the user's name? How do we tell the user's name? Oh, anyways, bad list of file for no. I don't think it's a loop thing. It's not definitely not a loop thing. We get A and B. A and B are integers, integer arrays, some number of things. I don't care how many. Um, okay, the number needs to be a factor of every number in this. So an LCM of that with an HCF or HCF of the lower B array. Does that work? What's the LCM of the least, like lowest array? The array A, LCM would be 8. We take all the factors. Bro, blowing my mind actually. I have no idea. JavaScript. Def get total x. Def, bro, that's like, no, okay, that sucks. Common divisor. So he's basically finding factors. CDS is equal to 1. Ascend is equal to sorted add for I in range. So 0 plus 1. For no way that works. Eh, so whatever the maximum value of B is, that's like 96 here in this case. For J in range 1, maximum is 1. So 96, 1 to 96. If all. Yeah, it's basically a one liner for J mod AI. For AI in A. Ah, okay, so we're like traversing this, and we're like trying to find factors. If it is a factor, so I can rewrite this as. I mean, it's gonna take a second. Nah, the one line is actually perfect. If all this. So for any time it's true, we have arrow dot append j. So we're appending all factors. Uh, mm, so starting in the second array, like the lowest number 1 all the way to 96. Hmm. Uh, okay. I get it. Using first loop, we're trying to find all the numbers between 1 and the highest number of array B that uh how do I explain it? Like I understood it, but how do I explain it? for AI in A, uh, okay, so we take a J. Okay, okay, the first condition is the integer needs to uh, include all of the integers in array A as factors of itself, right? So we go from 1 to 96, and then for every number, we check whether every number in A is a factor of that number. If yes, we append it in arrow. If not, ignore it. Okay, that is if all this, if all the code syntax that is there. So J percentage AI is equal to 0. uh, it's like difficult to explain. This is why I need public speaking. Um, okay, it's okay. It's fine. Just take. The if all function basically takes a syntax, and if say you got multiple ifs, you can just decide the one particular instance out of all the if conditions. Say you have four different if conditions. So you have if else, else, if else, out of which only one is true and everything else is false. You can do if all. So out of all the conditions that come in, if this particular condition is true for all the possibilities in the second part of the segment for AI in I. So to break it down, we get JZ as one, the first loop. Okay. Then we get AI as two. So one percentage two. False, as soon as it's false, breaks. 2. 2 percentage 2 is 0. Yes. 2 percentage 4 is 0. No. So it gets skipped. Then we have 3, then we come to 4. 4 is 4 percentage 2. Yes, 4 percentage 4. Basically, it takes all multiples of 4 and it adds into arrow. And then we need to filter that because the highest number that is in A has to be a factor of that number, right? So that number has to be a multiple of this number, of the highest number in B. So all like multiples of like 4. I know we could do that. I'll try it. Okay, let's try that. Okay. I know all numbers are going to be just multiples of that number. Okay. For example, here so we have 4, 8, 16. They're all multiples of 4. But we can't do max of A because what if it was 2, 4, and 6? 4 and 6 don't have common multiples, but there are numbers that it both can be a factor of. Yes, it's like multiples of the truth. It's like LCM, okay? And this is just another way of finding an LCM. This is basically an LCM finder now that I think about it. Say, for example, 4 and 6. Okay, 6 is the highest number. So the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, so on and so forth. Let's take an example of 30. 30 is not a 4 is not a factor of 30. No, it's not a factor of 30. 20. Take the maximum number of A. That is there. So basically, it just finds all the LCMs here. Okay. Finds the LCMs and then it appends into arrow. Arrow is our like temporary answer thing. That's why the length of B arrow is there. Like, okay. So for the next loop for AR and arrow, we're going to cycle all the LCMs that we have found from array A to if all. The same thing happens with all function basically. This time we're comparing whether just the second condition, whether the integer, that integer in question, whether it is what the heck? Hang on, sorry about that. My song just switched to my phone. Okay, so whether the second condition is being satisfied, that's the question. So that's what we're doing. We're taking the first number that would be the 4. That would be that is 4. And then we're cycling in BD 16. Whether 4 is a factor of 16? Yes. 32? Yes. 96? Yes. Find it in B arrow. So on and so forth. All the possible LCMs in A arrow are then being compared for the second integer. This is a very nice solution. I get it now. And I was able to explain it to you. Yay. Someone joined and left. I saw the view count go from 0 to 1, then 0. That's sad. Or whatever. I don't even know how loud Spotify is. It's probably overpowering my voice. It's fine. Next challenge. Let's do this. Oh, like it when Hackerrank gives tables. It's like one of the most annoying things. It's like a lot of loops I can see here, but anyways, could be easy. It could not be easy. Maria plays college basketball and wants to go pro. Each session, at least one of us is living their dreams. Each season, she maintains a record of a play. She tabulates the number of times she breaks a season record. The most points and least points in a game. Points scored in the first game establish her record for the season, and she begins counting from there. Scores are in the same order as the games played. She tabulates her results as follows: score, minimum, maximum, count, min, max, count. Okay, so we have first game. She scored 12 points. Her minimum score is 12. Her maximum score is 12, obviously. Then the next game she was 24 points. Minimum is 12. Maximum goes 24. Okay, so as soon as we find a number that is lower than even minimum, the minimum changes. But if it's a number higher than maximum, the maximum changes. Right. Okay. Give given the scores of the season, determine the number of times Maria breaks her records for most and least points during the season. Okay, so the first game, the max count changed once. Second game, the min count changed once. The max count didn't change, and the min count didn't change anymore. So the times record broken was 1 and 1. Return an array with the numbers of times she broke her records. Index 0 is for breaking the most points. Ticka, 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 ticka. The first line contains an integer n, number of games. The second line contains n space separate integers describing the respective values of. Hmm. Can I write this as a one-liner? I want to see. Okay, so we need to return L, that is 0 comma 0. After 0 comma, why is this a wrong line? Hello, it's a very good line. Thank you very much. Okay, then I need to do a. Oh, there's a way to vent two integers. I forget. Bing bong bong bing bong bong bing bong bong. Scores is an array, right? Print L. Why is that line wrong? List is not callable. What? Wait, reset the code. Now for some reason that is screwed up. L is equal to. What the hell? This is a whole nother problem now. None type is not iterable. Okay, I guess I just return L. This should print 10 comma 10. Hopefully, it should. It will. It prints 10 comma 10. Okay. Now we start a loop. For I in range 0 comma scores. This is a count, right? Okay. We'll say 1 comma scores because you've already assigned that. Okay. If I don't need to put the brackets. Sorry, C++. Don't get me wrong. I'm a Python programmer. Is the C++ gets like it's not as way too much C++ at college. They haven't teaching much Python, so I'm like getting used to the C++. If bracket condition. So If wait, no, I don't need to do this. For I in range, if scores I if x in list starting from second element. I do that string indexing. One this right. Okay. Brian scores. List indexing always confuses me of the inclusive and exclusive stuff. If I is less than L, wait, the first one's for max, right? And is greater than L0. L, 0 equals I. Else, if I is less than L1, L1 is equal to I. I mean, it should work. I mean, it's pretty basic. I less than a invalid syntax. Else if space, bro, space. What if else if सही तो है expected or none. Elf fine. Okay, whatever. Mm. Yeah, hang on. Sorry. Why is this? Oh, it's one. Okay, I mean, count 0 is equal to count 0 plus 1. I want to one line of this. Like, I want to finish this code in one line. I don't know how to do that. Damn, bhai, guilt de raha hai. I didn't see chat in time. I don't know. Yeah, भाई देख गिल्ट मुझे भी हुआ था ठीक है एंड वालो खेलता हूँ तो कवर करने के लिए थोड़ा प्रोडक्टिव सा करना पड़ता है क्या करें अब पढ़ाई तो करनी वाला मैं सिलेबस तो पढ़ूंगा नहीं मैं यही कर लेते हैं why is it wrong okay I corrected the code my bad sorry yay let's go I want to finish this in a line yaar I don't want to have such a bulky code. Guilty lag raha hai mere ko. But the thing is, it's like such a simple. I mean, I don't know how to make it into one line. Any ideas? It would be nice. Okay. So break it down. We have one if else. If else को तो मैं एक line में कर दूंगा. But how do I get that? Oh, wait. List one liner if else with two elements. Yes. My list with the one she measures two print I for lm I is equal to neck. No. Mama hota hai na? Should I just try it? Fuck it. Okay. What's the worst that can happen? Right? That stays. Let's see. This might not work. Count is equal to. Okay. My brain, I can hear the neurons go shing, 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 shing. Give us a break. Let's go play Valorant. But I'm like, no, I need to finish this. Okay. So if the comma thing, if hmm, I don't know. Wait. I did this once before. If this was just one element, it would be pretty simple. Ooh, wait, 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 wait. Hang on. There's a problem. I've done the problem. I can just look at the solution of the old problem and I'll just be like, yes, that's how it works. It's a count. It's like, what's my brain to like try to grading students, birthday cakes, apples, orange. I think it was apples and oranges. Where is the solution? Hello, Hackerrank, bro, Nani, what the fuck, bro? Solution. क्या मेरा solution गायब कर दिया इन्होंने भाई. अब एडिटोरियल खोलूंगा तो गायब हो जाएगा. Shh. No one has to know. No one has to know. Yes, apple a wait, wait. Um, large, small. Uh, apple A for apples and this is it. How does that make a list? Should I just leave it? Should I just leave it? I mean, it didn't fail any tests. Time complexity वगैरह भी सब हो ही गई है. Do I need a one-liner code? I mean, I don't need a one-liner code. Okay. Next challenge. We don't talk about this. Oh, fuck. I don't like it when Hackerrank gives images. That means it's got next level understanding that you need. Because you need, like, imagine you have two things that I need to show you. Okay, one I can just explain, the other I need to show you an image. Imagine the processing power it's going to require to actually understand the one with the image. That's how complicated it is. Generally, I know these are like easy questions, not that they're not that big of a deal, but still, it just takes more thing to understanding. Ah, anyways, two children, Lily and Ron, want to share a chocolate bar. Each of the squares has an integer on it. Lily decides to share a contiguous segment. ऐसे बच्चे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? भाई अगर हमें चॉकलेट शेयर करनी होती है हम गिनते 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 सबको दो दो मिल रही है. शांत रहो. ये कंटीजियस सेगमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? क्यों होते हैं? It decides to share a contiguous segment of the bar selected such that the length of the segment matches Ron's birth month and the sum of the integers on the squares is equal to his birthday. ठीक है. Okay, I gotta read that again. I read that as a joke. मैं कुछ absorb नहीं किया था. I'll read it again. Just to share a contiguous segment of the bar such that the length of the segment matches birth month and the sum of the integers. 22132 D is 4 and fully wants to find segment summing to Ron's. D is equal to 4 with a length equaling to his birth month and is equal to 2 in this case. It's meeting her criteria. Complete the birthday function. Here to the birthday function as the number of numbers in each square of the chocolate. And the M is. Oh. Wait, Lily decides to share a contiguous segment. The length of the segment matches Ron's birth month and the sum of this equal to his birthday. Oh, okay. Length of the segment matches Ron's birth month. Okay. Lily wants to find segment summing to Ron's birthday. D is equal to 4. So we get 2 and 2 and we get 1 and 3. Fair enough. Complete the birthday function. Returns. Return the number of ways the bar can be divided. Length. Oh, okay, the length of the segment matches Ron's birth month. Okay, so 2. So it's just 2, 2 and 2 and 3. So agree 1, 1, 1, 1 also. So I can't take 1, 1, 1, 1 because it has to be like two things. See, that's why I said diagram ones are just confusing. The first line contains integer n, number of squares. But ये सब तो ठीक है. हाँ, 3 and 2, that's D and M. Really wants to give ron m is equal to 2 and summing to 3. So we can get 1 and 2, we can get 2 and 1. Following segment is right here 1 and 2, 2 and 1. So we just say 3 and 0. Oh, but there's no 0 ka thing, right? So 6, 3 and 2, 0. We can't. Hmm. Okay, multi-dimensional array it is. So we get ans, very creative name, ans. Then we start uh, day and month, right? So the month. So for I in range 0 comma length of s minus m month, right? Loop error आ जाएगा one. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we have 2. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 है, right? 6 minus 2 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 plus 1. Wait. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Length minus 1. So that this can compare to this. This won't have to compare to anything else. Huh. This one is L or do they have to be consecutive? They don't have to be consecutive, right? I mean, that one and that three also can work, to be honest. So for j in range I plus 1 comma length of s, this needs to go all the way to the end. Dude, I feel like my brain's like actually not working right now. Like in the current state it is, I don't think I can call myself a logical human being. Holy shit. Okay. So for I range L dot append si. So like si goes into that, and for j in range this. So like that will go. Whether or not it will go into ands. Okay. J in range if ah ah wait, sum of integer list. Nope. I think it's called sum. Yeah, it's just called sum. Is it dot sum or sum a, right? Okay. So if sum L plus L dot append s then after this ends it goes to all and then it goes back in. So it won't cross. If length of L is F of L plus 1 is equal to, wait, is equal to M. Const dot append L. So what do I need to return? Return the number of ways bar can be divided. Return length of arms. Okay, it should logically work, but it what? How does it work in this test case and not in this? Oh, it's printing 0 regardless. Shit. Shit. Oh, oh. Oh, wait. I don't think I. Hmm. Yeah, I fucked up. Okay, let's take this for example and run it through this code. So we have um, person contains integer n number of squares in a chocolate bar. Oh, we don't not given s. So if length of s is equal to. I want to do this an exceptional thing. So okay. So for I in range 0 and length of s minus 1. So length of s is 1 minus m is the third line contains two spaces d and m. So length should be equal to the month, which is the second integer. Okay, and the total needs to be equal to the first number, which is d. So dm total length. So minus 1, so it becomes 0. So at least so I think L0 gets appended into this. We get L0. So for j in range, this won't happen because I plus 1 becomes 1 and length of s is 1. So there's nothing else. There's no L1. Why didn't I get an error? Okay, let me just try this real quick. So now this has succeeded, but the rest failed. So minus m. No, not here. Here. Ma? Okay. Right. ठीक है.
しない No 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 二度と会えない人だから後悔にくれるのなら恋の日に焼かれたいわざとでしょ流し目が愛しさを刺激するそっと振り返る美しさに心は掴まれて呼吸が止まって遊びが街になるダディダディドゥぶつけたい思いのすべてを嫌いなものだけじゃなくて危険な願いを止めないでその声が僕を連れて行く愛にたかれキラキラ燃えてしまいたいあなただけという唇が優しく微笑むたび飲み込まれていざなわれて未知の世界触れてダディダディドゥ最後まであなたに委ねて壊れるならそれでもいいもっと狂わせて見せてくれ僕だけに心の奥まで愛に抱かれキラキラ燃えたい命張ってる夜明けまで
調子とない眠る奥のマイメイ今すぐオープン your eyes 興味のないところがほんと嫌い飲み会オフ会女子会そうですかわかりますそうですサイとしか言えない上司とか競争みたい先輩に愛想笑いでも誰よりプライド高いポッポン僕ら女の子が怖いてか普通に目見れないようしゃべらんと思って情緒不安定今ことに申し訳ない大きな声で騒ぐ陽気なタイプとは仲良くなれそうもないだってあいつら空気読み合いウェイが飛び交いまともな脳みそないI don't give a fuck 苦手なアウトドア俺お家でぼーっとしたい映画見たい漫画見たい本読みたいでも交尾したいもううるさい一個もいいとこないエビデイエビない使えないとどうしようもない友達超少ない寂しいいやそうでもない Alright 足りない俺には何か足りない君にも何か足りないきっと何かが足りない足りないノミニケーション足りないノリとテンション足りない求心力も行動力も容量も足りない足りない足りないものだらけでないものねだりな最低のろくでなし俺らプライドにまみれてハートが壊れた最高なお友達クリーピーナッツよ
こちら足りない二人 Yeah 俺時間守らない松永デリカシーがない高卒と中卒偏屈で窮屈で低俗で軽率なポンコツとポンコツ Yeah また人に笑われるかも嫌われるかも滑るかも叱られるかも痛いって思われるかもキモいって思われるかもって誰も前のことなど気にしてないだろう
分かってる分かってる分かってるけどいや心配性ですぐ根にもシャバ増ださ防犯パも田舎もんチェリーボーイ Please don't cry anymore 知識過剰被害妄想自己顕示欲の大暴走偏見まみれの色眼鏡かけた今日も視界良好兵よ足りない俺には何か足りない君にも何か足りないきっと何かが足りない足りないステータス足りないフェイマス足りないお金だとかおしゃれだとか人望が足りない足りない足りない
Okay, so I just noticed that when I was doing after the thing resumed all the way till the end, my voice was muted. That was funny. Anyways, I did it. It just goes to show how little things like just this break statement and this and this plus one just work. If I don't put this plus one and then try to run the code, I think it'll give me an error. Think so. Yes, it gives an error. It gives a lot of errors. So just adding this plus one and this break statement. Okay, I want to check what happens if I don't put this. I don't know. It'll just take too long. Oh, never mind. It just doesn't work. It just goes to show how little things just, you know, make a lot of impact on the final submission of the code. So and the code worked. I mean, it took way too long. This is exactly why I want to do Hackerrank on a more daily basis, is to actually get back on that coding uh, track and actually just do it more efficiently and type more efficiently. Like that's like the coder's main thing. Code more efficiently, type more efficiently. So that's that. That's it for today's stream. This is more of a test stream again, but I'm still glad that 6 people watched. They came, said hi, didn't say hi, just came and watched and left. Kind of creepy, but sure. Next time, say hi, and yes. So let's stream done. I guess I'll see you next on the Valorant stream happening in sometime soon. And yeah, see you next time for the next Hackerrank or Valor stream or stream in general. I'm thinking I want to do Assassin's Creed Unity stream and Genshin stream. The thing with Genshin stream is that it's a story mode. It's just reading a lot of story and just going through fights. When I do talent, for the ones that who know how Genshin terminology works, if I'm ever doing artifact grinding or talent upgrade material grinding, I will be streaming. And I'm thinking of Assassin's Creed Unity, but I don't know. Like, I won't be able to do stream regularly after a week's time. So I really want to finish Assassin's Creed Unity. I don't want to put it under pressure of a stream. Like, I have to stream to finish it. So I don't know, maybe not. But Valo definitely happening in some time. And I'll see you then. Okay, bye.